Hello students, today we will begin with our new chapter, chapter 5, expansion formulae, standard 8. We will be doing practice set 5.1. Now practice set 5.1 is based on one formula, that is x plus a into x plus b is equal to x square plus a plus b into x. Okay, this bracket means a plus b bracket into x plus ab, that is a multiplied by b. Now based on this formula we are going to do practice set 5.1. So I have written the formula over here. Now children, this is a multiplication of two binomials whose first term, this x and this x, is same. So we are going to do expansion of this formula, okay? Is equal to, we will write x into our second binomial, that is x plus b. Okay, so we will take x into x plus b. Plus b. Now we will write this plus a. Again we will write x plus b into means x means a multiplied by x plus b equal to x multiplied by x is x square plus sign x multiplied by b is xb, but alphabetical wise b comes first, so we will write b x. This plus sign a multiplied by x is a x plus sign a multiplied by b is ab. Now therefore x plus a into x plus b is equal to x square, this plus sign. Now x and x is common, okay, and here there is b and here there is a. So alphabetical wise a comes first, so we will write a, this plus sign, and this b here, okay, and close the bracket. X and x is common, so we have to write only x plus ab means a multiplied by b, so we will write ab. So this is the expansion of this formula, okay. So based on this formula we are going to solve our practice set 5.1. So children, you should know this formula very nicely. Now what is our first sum? In practice set 5.1, expand. What is the first sum? A plus 2 into a minus 1. A plus 2 into a minus 1. So by using the formula, what is our formula? X plus a into x plus b is equal to x square plus a plus b in the bracket multiplied by x plus ab. So we are going to write this formula over here, okay. X plus a into x plus b is equal to x square plus a plus b in the bracket multiplied by x. We don't put multiplication sign, we only have to write x, okay. This is understood as multiplication, plus a multiplied by b is ab. Now this whole thing we are going to write below this bracket, okay. This bracket below this bracket and this bracket below this bracket. So we will write a plus 2 a minus 1. Now the value of x is what? A. The value of a is 2. The value of x is a. The value of b is minus 1. So to make it easier, we are going to write it over here. x we will put x value is a is equal to a, comma a's value is what? 2, comma x value is a. So we have written over here. Now b's value is what? Minus 1 is equal to x value is what? A. So we will write a. This square we will put here square. Plus a's value is what? 2. So we will write 2. Plus this plus sign, b's value is what? Minus 1. So minus always we have to put it in the bracket. And we will put this extra bracket. Okay. Now x value is what? A. So we will write a. Plus a's value is what? 2. A multiply by b, so 2 multiplication sign will come. B's value is what? Minus 1. So minus always we have to put in the bracket. Is equal to a square plus 2. Now plus and minus. Plus and minus is equal to what, children? Minus. This is a rough work column you have to make. Okay, over here you have to make one rough work column. So plus and minus is what? Minus. So plus and minus is minus. And this 1. Put the bracket. A we have to write it over here. Plus and minus. Again we got this plus and minus. Minus 2 multiplied by 1 is 2. 2 multiplied by 1 is 2. Equal to a square. Now 2. Okay, and minus 1. This is understood as plus. Okay, there is no sign means plus. Now plus 2 minus 1 is minus. So 2 minus 1 is 1. And the bigger sign is plus. So we will put over here plus 1 multiply by a. Now this one we got 2 minus 1. Okay, 2 minus 1 is 1. So 1 multiply by a is 1a minus 2 is equal to a square plus 1 multiply by a is equal to a. 1 multiply by a is what? 1 multiply by a is equal to a. So we will put only a. 1 multiply by a is a minus 2. So this is our final answer. Therefore, a plus 2 into a minus 1 is equal to a square plus a minus 2. So this is our final answer. Okay. Now we will do the second sum. The second sum is m minus 4 m plus 6. M minus 4 m plus 6. By using the formula, what is our formula, children? By using the formula is x plus a into x plus b is equal to x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. So we are going to write a formula over here. X plus a into x plus b is equal to x square plus in the bracket a plus b multiply by x. This bracket means multiplication. Okay, multiply by x plus ab. ab means a multiply by b. So we are going to write this whole thing below this bracket. M minus 4 in this bracket, m plus 6 here in this bracket. Okay, so m minus 4 m plus 6, close the bracket, is equal to, first we will see the values. X value is what? M. A's value is what? 4. A's value is minus 4. X value is what? M. B's value is 6. So we are going to write over here x value is m, comma a's value is equal to minus 4. So minus 4. Comma x value is what? X value is m. So no need of writing again. Okay. B's value is what? 6. So now we'll write x value is what? M. So we will solve the sum now. X value is what? M square plus a's value is what? Minus 4 plus b's value is what? 6. Now we will close the bracket. Okay. We'll put them in the bracket. X value is what? M plus a's value is what? Minus 4. Minus sign always goes in the bracket. A multiplied by b, so minus 4 multiplied by b. So b's value is what? 6 is equal to m square. Now this is plus 6 and minus 4. Okay, plus 6 minus 4. Plus and minus is minus. So 6 minus 4 is 2. So we will write plus 2. 2 multiplied by minus 4 plus 6. So we got 2. 2 multiplied by m is 2m. So we will write 2m. Now plus and minus. Plus and minus is what? Minus. So plus and minus is minus. 4 multiplied by 6 is 24. Plus and minus is minus. 4 multiplied by 6 is 24. So this is our final answer. Therefore, m minus 4 into m plus 6 is equal to m square plus 2m minus 24. Now we will do the next sum. P plus 8, P minus 3. This is the third sum. P plus 8 in the bracket, P minus 3. Close the bracket. Now by using formula, what is the formula? X plus A into X plus B is equal to X square plus in the bracket A plus B into X plus AB. Now in this bracket, this whole thing we have to write P plus 8. Okay, under this bracket we have to write P plus 8. Under this bracket we have to write P minus 3. So we will put a bracket and write P minus 3 is equal to, first we will remove the values. X value is P, A's value is 8, X value is P and B's value is minus 3. So to make it easier, we are going to write it over here. X value is P, comma, A's value is 8. X value is P, so we have written already over here, no need of writing again. B's value is, comma, B's value is minus 3. So we will write minus 3. Now X value is what? P. So we will write P and this square. Okay. Now plus, this plus will come down. A's value is what? 8. So we will write 8. Plus, we'll put your plus. B's value is what? Minus 3. So we will put minus 3 in the bracket. Because minus sign we always have to put them in the bracket. Now we will put this extra bracket. Okay. Now this X value is what? X value is P. X value is P. So we will put P. Plus A's value is what? 8. A multiplied by B. So 8 multiplied by B's value is what? Minus 3. B's value is what? Minus 3. So minus, always we have to put them in the bracket. Is equal to P square Now plus sign 8 plus and minus is what? Plus and minus is equal to minus. Okay, plus and minus is equal to minus. So plus and minus is minus, and this 3 we will put here. We will put this bracket will put here, and we'll put this p. Now plus and minus is equal to minus. So plus and minus is equal to minus. 8 3s as what? 24 is equal to p square. Now 8 minus, we'll put this plus sign. 8 minus 3, that is plus 8. This 8 plus 8. Okay, this is 8 plus 8 minus 3. 8 minus 3 is 5. Bigger sign is plus, so plus will come. So we will put this 8 minus 3 is how much? We got 5. So we will put 5. Okay. Now 5 multiplied by p. 5, we got 8 minus 3 as 5. So 5 multiplied by p. We'll get 5p minus 24. So this is our final answer. Therefore, p plus 8 into p minus 3 is equal to p square plus 5p minus 24. Now we will do the fourth sum. Our fourth sum is what? 13 plus x into 13 minus x. So we will write our fourth sum 13 plus x into 13 minus x by using our formula. Which is our formula now? X plus a, this is our formula, x plus a into x plus b is equal to x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. Now in this bracket x plus a is there, so down also we have to put this whole thing below this bracket. 13 plus x, below this bracket this thing will come, 13 minus x. So 13 minus x is equal to, first remove the value. X value is what? 13. A's value is x. X value is 13. B's value is minus x. So we are going to write it over here. X value is 13, comma, A's value is x, comma, x value is 13. We have written over here, so no need of writing again. B's value is what? Minus x. So b is equal to minus x. X value is what? X value is 13. So 13 square. This square we have to put over here. Plus this sign we have to put here. A's value is what? X. Plus sign. B's value is minus x. So minus x. Minus always has to go in the bracket. And put this box, big bracket. Okay. This is an extra bracket we have to put. Now x value is what? 13. X value is 13. So we will write here. Plus sign. A's value is what? X. A multiplied by b, so multiplication sign. B's value is what? B's value is minus x. So minus x, we have to put minus always in the bracket, is equal to 13 square means 13 multiplied by 13. That is 169. This plus sign. Okay. Now x will come here. Plus and minus. Plus and minus is equal to minus. So plus and minus is minus, and this x. Put them in the bracket and put this 13. Now plus and minus is what? Plus and minus is minus. So plus and minus is minus. X multiplied by x is x square. X multiplied by x is x square is equal to 169. Put this plus sign. Now x minus x is 0. So we will put this 0. Put this 13 here minus x square is equal to 169. Now plus sign will come. 0 multiplied by 13 is 0 minus x square. If you multiply 0 with any number, you will get 0. So 0 multiplied by 13 is 0 is equal to 169. Now while writing the final answer, we don't have to write 0. So we will write 169 minus x square minus x square. We don't have to write this. Okay. So our final answer is 13 plus x into 13 minus x is equal to 169 minus x square. Now we will do the fifth sum. 3x plus 4y into 3x plus 5y. x plus 4y into 3x plus 5y. By using formula, what is our formula? X plus a into x plus b is equal to x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. Now below this bracket, this whole thing will come. 3x plus 4y. Below this bracket, this whole thing. 3x plus 5y is equal to, first we will remove the values. X value is 3x, a's value is 4y, x value is 3x, b's value is 5y. Okay, so we will write the values here. X value is 3x, comma, a's value is 4y, comma, x value is 3x. So written over here, no need of writing again. B's value is 5y. Okay. Now we have to write x value is what? X value is 3x. So 3x, put the bracket square. This square will come here. Plus, here we have to put plus, below this plus. A's value is what? 4y. Okay, this is 4y. So we will write 4y. Plus sign here, this plus will come here. B's value is what? 5y. So 5y. Put the bracket. X value is what? 3x. So we will write 3x. Plus sign. A's value is what? 4y. A multiply by b, so 4y multiply by b's value is what? 5y. So 5y is equal to 3 square means 3 3s are 3 multiply by 3, that is 9. 3 square means 3 multiply by 3, 9. And x square. X multiply by x is x square. Plus this plus sign. 4 plus 5 is 9. Y plus y is y. Okay. Now put this in the bracket. Because bracket was there, we'll put them in the bracket. Now this 3x here. Now plus 4 5 is 20. Y multiplied by y will be y square is equal to 9x square. Plus sign, put this plus here. 9 multiplied by 3 is 27. Y multiplied by x is xy. We will write alphabetical wise. X comes first. So we will write x and then we will put y. Plus 20y square. So this is the final answer. Therefore, 3x plus 4 y in the bracket into 3x plus 5y in the bracket is equal to 9x square plus 27xy plus 20y square. So this is our final answer. Now we will do the next sum. And next sum is what? Sixth one, 9x minus 5t, 9x plus 3t. Okay. Our sixth sum is 9x minus 5t in the bracket 9x plus 3t in the bracket. Okay, by using formula what is our formula? X plus a into x plus b is equal to x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. In this bracket, below this bracket, this number will come. So 9x minus 5t, put a bracket, this number 9x plus 3t, put the bracket, is equal to, put the values, x value is 9x, a's value is minus 5t, x value is 9x, b's value is 3t. Okay, so we will write over here, x value is 9x, a's value is what? Minus 5t, so minus 5t, comma, x value is 9x, no need of writing again, b's value is what? 3t, so we will write 3t. Now we are going to solve it. We got all the values, now we are going to write it over here. X value is what? 9x, so we will write 9x. Okay, now put this bracket, put this square sign, plus a's value is what? Minus 5t, so minus 5t. Now minus sign is there, so we will put this whole thing in the bracket. Okay, because first we will remove this plus. Now b's value is what? 3t, so we will write 3t. We will put them in the bracket. X value is what? 9x, so 9x, plus a's value is what? Minus 5t, so minus sign, put them in the bracket. A multiplied by b, so minus 5t multiplied by b's value is what? 3t, so we will put 3t is equal to 9 multiplied by 9 is 9 square, so 9 multiplied by 9 is 81. X multiplied by x is x square. Now we are going to put this plus sign. Now minus 5 and plus 3, minus 5t and plus 3t. Okay, so minus 5 plus 3 is 2. Now this number is big and this number is small. So which sign is there in front of the bigger number? Minus sign. So minus sign. This is a bigger number now, bigger than 3. So the sign to the bigger number is minus. So we will write minus. So we will put minus. And 5 minus 5 plus 3 is, we got minus 2. So we will put this 2. Minus 2. Okay, and this t. Now we will put them in the bracket because minus sign is there, so we have to put them in the bracket, and here plus sign is there. Now we will write this 9x. Now 5 3s is what? 15. So we will write 15. T multiplied by t is t square. 5 3s are 15. T multiplied by t is t square. Plus and minus is what? Plus and minus is equal to minus. Plus and minus is equal to minus. So plus and minus is minus. Is equal to 81x square. This thing we'll write it over here. Plus and minus is minus. Okay. And 2 multiplied by 9 is 18. 2 9s is 18. T multiplied by x is tx. But alphabetical wise we have to write tx only. So t multiplied by x is tx minus 15t square. So this is the final answer. So we will write, therefore 9x minus 5t into 9x plus 3t is equal to 81x square minus 18tx minus 15t square. Now let's take the other sum, that is 7th number. Okay, m plus 2 upon 3 into m minus 7 upon 3. This is the bracket. Okay, so we will write the 7th sum. M plus 2 upon 3 the bracket m minus 7 upon 3 in the bracket. By using a formula, what is a formula? X plus a in the bracket x plus b in the bracket is equal to x square plus a plus b in the bracket into x plus ab. So below this x plus a we will write this thing. Okay, this sum. M, this bracket, m plus 2 upon 3. Put the bracket. Below this we will write this bracket. Okay, m minus 7 upon 3 in the bracket is equal to, first we will remove the values. X value is m, a's value is 2 upon 3, x value is m, b's value is minus 7 upon 3. So we are going to write it over here. X value is what? M, comma, a's value is what? 2 upon 3, comma, x value we have written m. B's value is what? Minus 7 upon 3. So minus 7 upon 3. Now x value is what? X value is m. So we will write m and this square. Plus sign, this plus. A's value is what? 2 upon 3. Plus sign. B's value is what? Minus 7 upon 3. B's value is minus 7 upon 3. So minus 7 upon 3. Put this in the bracket and put a extra bracket. Okay, x value is what? M, plus a's value is what? 2 upon 3. A multiplied by b, so 2 upon 3 multiplied by b's value is minus 7 upon 3. So minus 7 upon 3, put this in the bracket, is equal to m square plus sign. Now 2, and this is, we will write this first, 2 upon 3 plus and minus. Plus and minus is equal to minus. So we will put minus sign. 7 upon 3. Put this in the bracket. M. This m will come down. Now plus and minus is what? Plus and minus is minus. So plus and minus is minus. 2 7s are, 2 multiplied by 7 is 14. 3 multiplied by 3, multiplication sign is there, no? So 3 multiplied by 3 is 9, is equal to m square. Plus sign, this down. Now 3 and 3 is common. So we will put this big line and we'll write 3 here. And we will put 2 minus 7. Okay. Now we will put this bracket and we will put this m, minus 14 upon 9. is equal to m square. Put this plus sign. Now here there is 2 and here there is minus 7. So first we will write this bigger number minus 7 and we will write this 2. So here plus sign, okay. So minus 7, 7 minus 2 is how much? 5. This is bigger number and this is smaller number. So before bigger number which sign is there? Minus. This is bigger number, no? This is bigger number and this is smaller number. So before bigger number which sign is there? Minus. So we will put minus over here. So here we will put 2 minus 7 minus 5. Okay. Upon 3. Now we have to put again bracket and put this m here. Minus 14 upon 9 equal to m square. Now plus and minus is what, children? Plus and minus is always plus and minus is minus. So we will put this minus sign. Now we will put 5 upon 3. Now 5 upon 3 multiply by 5 will be 5 upon 3 multiply by 5 will be 5 upon 3 m. Okay. Now minus 14 upon 9. Now 5 upon 3 what I said? 5 upon 3 multiply by m. 5 upon 3 multiply by m is equal to 5m upon 3. So this we have to put. Okay. Now this is the final answer. Therefore m plus 2 upon 3 in the bracket m minus 7 upon 3 in the bracket is equal to, we'll write this final answer, m square minus 5m upon 3 minus 14 upon 9. Now the last sum is, now the eighth sum is x plus 1 upon x, x plus minus 1 upon x. The eighth sum we will take. X plus 1 upon x into x minus 1 upon x in the bracket. Now by using our formula x plus a, this is our formula, x plus b is equal to x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. Now x plus a is here, so in this bracket what will come? X plus 1 upon x. So we will put x plus 1 upon x. X minus 1 upon x, so we have to write over here x minus 1 upon x. Now we have to remove their values. So x value is x, a's value is 1 upon x, x value is x, b's value is minus 1 upon x. So here we will write x value is x, comma, a's value is 1 upon x, comma, x value is x, we have written over here. Now b's value is minus 1 upon x. So b's value is equal to minus 1 upon x is equal to x value is what? X, x. X value is what? X. So x. And this square. Plus this plus will come down. A's value is what? 1 upon x. Plus sign will come down. B's value is what? Minus 1 upon x. So minus 1 upon x. B's value is what? Minus 1 upon x. So minus 1 upon x. Put this in the bracket. Minus sign, no. And put this extra bracket. X value is what? X only. X value is x. This plus sign will come down. A's value is what? 1 upon x. 1 upon x. A multiplied by b, so multiplication sign. B's value is what? Minus 1 upon x. So minus 1 upon x. Negative sign, minus sign, so put them in the bracket. Is equal to x square. Plus put over here. 1 upon x, write it over here. Plus and minus is equal to minus. So minus sign, 1 upon x. 1 upon x plus and minus is minus 1 upon x. So you have to write over here. Put this bracket, x put here. Plus and minus is minus. Plus and minus is minus. 1 multiplied by 1 is 1. X multiplied by x is x square. Okay. X multiplied by x is x square. Is equal to x square. Now 1 upon x minus 1 upon x is 0. So put this plus sign. 1 upon x minus 1 upon x is 0. So put this 0 over here. Now 0 multiplied by x is also 0. Okay. Any number, if you multiply 0 with any number also you get 0. So 0 multiplied by x is 0. Minus this 1 upon x square is equal to, we won't put 0 in our final answer. We will only write x square and we will put this minus 1 upon x square. So this is our final answer. Therefore, x plus 1 upon x in the bracket, x minus 1 upon x in the bracket is equal to this answer. Okay children, x square minus 1 upon x square. I will write it over here. X square minus 1 upon x square. Now we will take the next sum. Ninth sum is what? 1 upon y plus 4 in the bracket, 1 upon y minus 9 in the bracket. So ninth sum is 1 upon y plus 4 in the bracket, 1 upon y minus 9 in the bracket. By using formula, what is our formula? X plus a into x plus b. Now below this what will come? This thing, 1 upon y plus 4 in the bracket, 1 upon y minus 9, 1 upon y minus 9 in the bracket. We have to remove the values. X value is 1 upon y, a's value is 4, x value is 1 upon y and b's value is minus 9. So we will write here x value is 1 upon y, comma, a's value is 4, comma, x value is 1 upon y. Okay, b's value is what? B's value is equal to minus 9. So minus 9. So first we will write the formula. Okay, we will write this thing of this. I forgot to write x square plus a plus b into x plus ab is equal to, x value is what? 1 upon y. So we will write 1 upon y. Now we will put this whole bracket and we will put this square. Okay. Plus this plus, a's value is what? 4. Plus sign, b's value is what? Minus 9. So negative sign always, a minus sign always comes in the bracket. Now we will put this extra bracket. X value is what? 1 upon, x value is 1 upon y. So 1 upon y plus sign, a's value is what? 4. A multiplied by b, so 4 multiplied by b's value is minus 9. So put the minus sign in the bracket. equal to, now this bracket 1 upon y is for the whole thing square. Okay, so 1 square and y square. So we will write it separately, 1 square and this y square. Put this plus sign. 4 plus and minus is equal to minus. So plus and minus is minus 9, and put this in the bracket 1 upon y, plus and minus is minus 4 multiplied by 9 is 36, is equal to 1 multiplied by 1 is 1 square. So 1 square means 1. Y square means y multiplied by y is y square. Okay, 1 multiplied by 1 is 1 only, and y multiplied by y is y square. Now put this plus sign here. Now we will write this minus 9 here, 4 down. Okay, and put this plus. Minus 9 upon minus 9 minus 4 is 5. 9 is bigger number. Okay, and 4 is smaller number. Which is the sign for the bigger number? Negative. So we will put minus. For the bigger number, which sign is there? Minus. So we will put minus 5. So 4 minus 9 is minus 5. Put this in the bracket. 1 upon y minus 36 equal to 1 upon y square, plus and minus is minus 5y. Okay, because 5 multiplied by 1 upon y. So 5 ones is 5 and this y. 5 multiplied by 1 upon y. If you 5 multiplied by 1 upon y, 5 ones are 5 and this y. So minus 5 upon y minus this 36. So this is our final answer. Therefore 1 upon y plus 4 in the bracket 1 upon y minus 9 in the bracket is equal to 1 upon y square minus 5 upon y minus 36. So this is our final answer. Okay children. Thank you children for watching my video. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel.